Welcome. This is teacher Linda G with a bit of information on Canada's immigration pathway. Now, this is part 2 of the series. You also need to know that I'm a teacher. I'm not an immigration officer. So you still need to do your research, and I will provide you with some websites. Now, today, we demystify the express entry system, your key to becoming a permanent resident. And step 1 is to go to the website and to read what's required. Then you need to craft a detailed profile showcasing your skills and your experience. Imagine that this profile is your personal introduction to Canada, so you have to make it stand out. Then the comprehensive ranking system assesses your profile, assigning a score that determines your eligibility. The higher your score, the better your chances of receiving an invitation to apply, an ITA. You want to keep in mind that the highest scoring individuals receive an ITA. Picture this as your golden ticket, an invitation to officially apply for permanent residency in Canada. Remember, accuracy is crucial. To navigate these steps seamlessly, you need to consult the official guides and tools that are available on the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada website. And I will show you that website. I'm going to share my screen with you. So we're now at the canada.ca website. In order for you to access the express entry part, you need to go to Immigration and Citizenship here. Then from here, you need to click Immigrate. And from here, you can see all the different programs. Now, today I'm talking about express entry, so let's click here. And of course, from here, you could see the information, how Express works, get the documents you need, submit your express entry profile. So you would have to click on each link in order for you to get the information you need. Your English skills need to be appropriate. Now, as a teacher, part of my services is to help you with your English. And if you do need help to read and understand this website, that's what I'm here for. Of course, there's a fee for that, but you can also send me an email at backinthegroove@gmail.com to get information on this. Now let's continue. We talked about the IRCC. Once you have submitted your application, this is the account that you need to use to verify your application. So you would have to create an account. You can apply for these applications. Let's see if this is the right account for you. So if you have applied for a work permit or an express entry or an International Experience Canada or extending work, all of these different types of permits, this is the account that you'd have to open. If your application isn't listed, you need to review the content. And you can check the status of these applications here. A lot of different application statuses here. So this could be worth exploring as well. You see, they do have the provincial nominee program here. They have the home childcare provider pilot, a lot of different types of applications. So it is worth your time to check into this site. You can upload your documents here. But remember, you need to get the documents to begin with. So when you go to, depending on the type of application you're submitting, today we were talking about express entry. Notice here how this is the documents that you need for express entry. You don't need to upload documents to submit a profile, but you may need information from some or all of these documents. a lot of information that you need, and it's all on this website. So this is for the express entry. Now stay tuned for the next video as well. All right.